I'll see you later because I'm touring this house as an alligator. Let's go check out Stewardship's latest listing. If you like hosting feasts fit for a gator, then you will appreciate the counter space here in the kitchen. It might be that buffet style or just needing the space to prepare and chop it up. Feel that? Me too. That's the feeling of a 9-month-old air conditioner. So many real estate transactions can fall apart because of an AC. It's not going to be the case here. Doing your laundry in the summertime here when the washer dryer setup is not inside the house can be unbearable, but fortunately here it is inside the house, meaning you don't have to go out into a 120-degree garage to do it. Now we end here in the backyard where honestly it's one of my favorite features. Not only do you have no HOA on this property, but you have all this space to really let your imagination run wild, including alley access. So really whatever you can legally think of, you can do here in the backyard with that non-HOA part there. Now I'm Nate, Source of Stewardship Realty. Hope you have a phenomenal rest of your day. If you're curious about this property, this is our number. Reach out, we'd love to help you get inside. If you are looking to sell a property but you don't have the alligator costume, let us know. I'd love to sell the home for you. Have a phenomenal rest of your day. I will see you later, alligator.